Yeah, hopefully nobody will find that. I'll be right back for it. All right, it's between early season and late season duck season. So I'm out with the camera instead of the shotgun today. Just looking for a bunch of little water holes like this that might hold some wood ducks. So I got about a 2-mile hike. I'm gonna follow this creek as closely as I can. And on the other end, I stashed a bicycle so I can ride that back to the truck. Now we got our first snowfall this week, and we had probably 6 inches yesterday, but it's warmed up overnight and most of it's gone already. Wood ducks eat like acorns and seeds and fruits and stuff, mostly. So when there's snow, they usually get out of here pretty quick. We made it. Oh, I ran into a bunch of stick tights. These things are the worst. You just bump the bush and they're all over you. Wonder what those are. Alright, it says there's an 84% chance that's climbing nightshade, so now we know. Really cool back in here. It's almost like a rainforest with all the moss. Another good sized deep hole right here. I like beavers. It's getting nasty out here. I'm probably about halfway through. Wonder how long that's been here. Now this is the beaver dam that Mason and I hiked to when he was sick that one time. And it's still all dried up, but you can see the creek runs down through there pretty good. It's a big old buck scrape. There's almost always a branch above it so they can rub their, they have glands right here that they rub on the branch to spread their scent. And that they just kick around and pee in. Look at this out here. You can see where the beavers dammed it up right here. Now this would be perfect duck hunting spot. But there's one problem. This is like the only spot on this whole creek. There's a house right there. That side of the creek is private property. This side is state land. So you can't shoot within 500 feet of a house unless it's over navigable waterways. And this is not navigable. There's a pond right inside here too. You can see the beaver's got a pretty nice little highway from this pond out here that he built through here and into this little pond back here. I just stepped in a really soft spot and I'm like this close from going over my boot. Oh no. I really don't want to get all wet. Oh, nice. Nice. I think we can still cross right here. Oh, made it. There's the remnants of an old bridge that used to cross this creek. There used to be a road that would run up through here. You can still kind of see it out through there. Now the water's been a little bit deeper than I expected it to be. And I almost wore my chest waders, but I didn't. They're hard to pee in. Well, they're not hard to pee in, they're hard to pee out of. I found a survival shelter or something out here. Kinda creepy. I wonder if there's anybody in it. This is weird. Looks like it's been here for a while though. Hopefully the murderers are gone by now. It's kind of creepy, but I bet it's just a spot for kids to go and drink beer. Looks like the sun's finally coming out too. Looks like the remnants of another old bridge. That's the old bridge. And there's the new one. So it's a tree. Just a tree. Oh, my backpack's gonna make me get my butt wet, I think. Oh, I hope not. Oh boy. There we go. Oh shoot. Got my pants wet. Ah. Nice. Stupid backpack. A good spot to stop for lunch. Even got a nice tree stump up here to cook on. Alright, I've got 2 pieces of bread here. Pre-buttered, kind of. Alright, now that those are nice and buttered, next we have egg. And I just cracked the bottom of the egg, stuck this bottle up and let it go, and it sucked it all right into the bottle, which is better than trying to keep an egg from breaking in my backpack. Oh, but first we have some ground beef. Now this is going to be like a really good egg and ground beef grilled cheese, but I have no idea how I'm going to get this on my bread. You don't realize how much you take spatulas for granted until you try to cook out in the woods. It's hot. Now we have some blueberry tea. I don't generally enjoy tea because it tastes like somebody had like a really good drink before, and then you use that same cup to drink the tea because it just barely has a flavor. But I figured something warm on this cold day would be nice. Yeah, that should be good. It's a pretty good sandwich. Could have used some ketchup, maybe some salt. No, I think I'm almost back to the bike. I'm going to put the camera in the bag from here on out because I haven't really been seeing anything to take pictures of anyway. And I might just sip my tea as I walk. I feel like I'm missing something, but I think it's because I put my camera in the backpack. Looks like there used to be a crow. Got some crow feathers and some bones. That's a nice hoard of pine cones. Alright, we made it to the road. Now we just gotta remember where we hid the bike. Alright, I think it's right over here. Oh good, it's still there. I just bought this bike off of Facebook Marketplace, and I put some air in the tires, and this is the first time I've ever ridden it, so let's hope for the best. The duck's right there. I don't know if you can see him or not. The $20 Marketplace bike worked great. It took about 10 minutes to get back to the truck. It took me probably 4 hours to hike that, so that's pretty good. At the end there, I did see 3 ducks. They looked like mallards and not wood ducks. I don't know if you could see them on camera or not, but this year has been really weird with the ducks. There haven't been many around anyway. It's either been too warm or too dry or both. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you want to see next.